The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention coordinated with social media companies and Google to censor users who expressed skepticism or criticism of COVID-19 vaccines, according to a trove of internal communications obtained by America First Legal, and shared exclusively with the Washington Free Beacon. Over the course of at least 6 months, starting in December 2020, CDC officials regularly communicated with personnel at Twitter, Facebook, and Google over vaccine misinformation. At various times, CDC officials would flag specific posts by users on social media platforms such as Twitter as example posts. In one email to a CDC staffer, a Twitter employee said he is looking forward to setting up regular chats with the agency. Other emails show the scheduling of meetings with the CDC over how to best police alleged misinformation about COVID-19 vaccines. Although many of the posts flagged by the CDC contained false information about the COVID-19 vaccines, the efforts to police misinformation also resulted in mistaken censorship. An April 2021 email from a CDC staffer to Facebook states that the algorithms that Facebook and other social media networks are apparently using to screen out posting by sources of vaccine misinformation are also apparently screening out valid public health messaging, including Wyoming Health Communications. The communications reveal a high level of coordination between the government and tech industry during the pandemic and raise questions about the extent to which other private companies are working with the federal government to censor the public. The Biden administration has faced criticism for engaging in what some have called Orwellian practices, such as the establishment of the Department of Homeland Security Disinformation Governance Board. The Free Beacon reported that the now-shuttered Disinformation Board arranged a meeting with a Twitter executive who blocked users from sharing stories about Hunter Biden's laptop. Facebook also awarded the CDC with $15 million in ad credits for the company's platforms in April 2021, according to several emails. This gift will be used by CDC's COVID-19 response to support the agency messages on Facebook, and extend the reach of COVID-19 related Facebook content, including messages on vaccines, social distancing, travel, and other priority communication messages. An internal CDC memo reads, "Tensions between the CDC's powers and protecting the public's civil liberties have arisen since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic." White House Chief Medical Advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci called a judge overruling the CDC's mask mandate disturbing. Concerns about the CDC's judgment has also led the Democratic-controlled cities of New York and San Francisco to ignore the agency guidance on monkeypox vaccinations.